Time for a bank run. Gotta go pull out some cash because I'm taking the Supra to a shop to have a bunch of CSF radiators installed. Essentially the transmission oil cooler, the heat exchanger, and then 2 auxiliary radiators. We got a lot of fucking driving to do to make it to this place, so let's go pull out some money first.
I want to do a reel like every car that comes in for work. We're getting close to 500 followers I've been open since last Monday, so I'm like, hell yeah. So even if you just buy stuff, it says Scott.
Yeah. If it says my last name. And Sky is an abbreviation for my middle name. It's not even the full name. Yeah.
It sounds cool, bro.
I like it better.
Yeah.
But it is.
You have the most common American name alive, bro. Oh, also this car is brand new. I don't think it even has 1,000 miles yet.
Really?
He bought it like in January.
Huh. You say, let me get right to work.
Yeah, look.
I guess better yet when the engine's new, right?
He will just rip this thing, dude. Yeah. 3,700.
Drink water. My hands are shaky. Thank you. That intake manifold is gorgeous. So, could he not fit a filter? Do you think that's why he went with a guard?
It's better to have guards, honestly, here in Vegas compared to a filter. Because we are more of a...
Oh, he already put him in. Sick. All right, so obviously you can't see the cooling stuff, but he already swapped them in. Hell yeah, I got these 2 little carbon fiber pieces from the homie as well. They were originally for his Supra, but now they're for mine. Fucking style points, am I right? Matches this carbon fiber up here. Now this shot looks crazy. Hell yeah. It's so nice being back in here. I don't know if it's going through the car's camera or fucking audio or what, but hopefully, this is my one question. What can I pull off that?
ray gun sound.
Fucking tacos El Gordo. These nerds. Fucking that front bumper's so cool. Yo, appreciate anyone who made it this far. This video originally started as like a thing I'm doing just to show off the CSF stuff, and it turned into a roller video, so who the hell knows. Thanks for watching. Deuces.